VR with Jasmine. You might know her channel, VR reviews, games, some streams. Ever since the first time we put these stickers on this Quest, she's been giving us crap for how frightening it looks, how freaky it looks, I don't know. Just didn't like them. So what did she do? She went and made her own stickers for your Quest 2. Let's check them out. Now she is selling these on her shop. There will be a link in the description. Oh my goodness. Apparently it's just, they're secure, they're safe. You can't get it open. Okay, expressive. And we got a sticker of hers. That's her logo right there. And we got some new eyes. Now I'm guessing she wanted me to replace mine. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna put them on this one. I don't know, actually, there might be like good in-depth instructions from her on how to do this. I'm just gonna go for it. Technically, I don't know much about doing headset decals, but like if you're doing car decals or window decals, you're really supposed to put like Windex or water to help prevent bubbling. We're just gonna freehand this and maybe end up regretting it. Come on, eyebrow. Let's try the other side, fine. Now, what do you think? Tell me in the comments out there. Is this an improvement? I really like the eyebrows. I like how expressive it is. I think it does look pretty cool, but I am not seeing my whole face here. I'm only seeing it from the outside. Which one do you like better? I like it because it looks kind of angry and mean. This one actually looks happy, I feel like, and this one looks a little mad, but I think it's fun. A lot of people go for the googly eyes because they think those look really cool. I think googly eyes are all right, but they're always just hanging down. They always look like you're looking at the floor with googly eyes. It takes a lot of intense movement for googly eyes to actually move around. I personally think the decals look better, and I like them in all black because you got the black and white aesthetic already with the Quest 2, so I feel like they look nice, where with some of the colors, at least as a video maker, they don't always show up as well. So I will leave a link in there to her channel and her sticker shop now in case you want to get something for yours. She's got like some anime eye stickers on her headset, but let me know what you think in the comments. I want to say thank you for coming out. I will see you in another reality.